The use of automated decision-making technologies promises to address challenges in various fields, but it also creates the potential for misuse. In news and media, the use of algorithmic and automated decision-making systems is intensive in search engines, in personalized news feeds, in content moderation systems, and in programmatic advertising. This means that computers are increasingly making decisions that impact us and our society.
In journalism, these automated decision-making systems enable new forms of computer-assisted reporting, data journalism, and audience engagement analytics. But they also support the automated mining of personal information and enable the algorithmic amplification of mis- and disinformation, and this poses substantial risks to both individuals and communities.
The Australian Research Council Centre of Excellence for Automated Decision Making and Society, or ADMS, brings together universities, industry, government and community to support the development of responsible, inclusive and ethical automated decision making. The news and media focus area within the centre uses novel and innovative research frameworks to investigate the role of automated decision making in this field.
The News and Media Focus Area examines how automated decision-making systems help or hinder users in finding balanced and diverse news and media content, and to what extent such systems foster civil discourse or spread partisan propaganda. A number of our projects use citizen science models and public data donations to investigate the impact of automated decision-making systems on the news and media experiences of real users.
The Australian Search Experience project will investigate to what extent the recommendations of major search engines are personalised to address user interests. Working with our international partner organisation Algorithm Watch, we will provide a rigorous independent assessment of how search algorithms shape information flows for Australian users. Building on our research, we're working with educators, policymakers, and the platforms themselves to mitigate any negative effects that may result from such shaping.
The Facebook Ad Tracker project examines how advertising on Facebook targets specific user demographics. Building on the research of the US initiative ProPublica, we're looking at who sees which adverts on Facebook and examining whether targeted advertising exploits particular vulnerable populations or pushes problematic political messages. This will allow us to shed light on the largely untransparent and unregulated world of Facebook advertising.
Both these projects ask for data donations from the general public in order to develop a detailed and accurate picture of real users' experiences with search engines and social media. They ask participants to install simple browser plugins that observe their experiences with search engines and social media and contribute anonymous data to our research. This is a powerful new way to hold platforms to account. Platforms that have often tried to avoid independent critical scrutiny from researchers and policymakers.
The ADMS Centre aims to enhance public understanding as well as policy and practice into the future. We invite you to join us in this effort, including by becoming citizen scientists and contributing to our data donation projects.